honey, look. Let's help you get started. Look. Oh. Can you rip it? What's in there? What's in there? Here, like this. Like this. Look, honey.
She's like, xylophone time.
Ellie, come see. What's in here? What's in there? Can you rip it?
Yeah.
Here, let's turn it around for you. Like this. Oh my goodness!
Good job. It's Farmer Jed.
Oh, it's so cute.
Look at the chicken.
Where's the chicken? Where's the pig?
And the pig.
Where's the horse?
Where's the horsey?
Show mommy the horsey. That's the
That's
chicken.
chicken.
Here's the horsey.
Good job. So
You
nice.
lucky girl. Say thank you. You got a farm. Huh. It makes noises and everything. Can you give the chicken a kiss? Give the chicken a kiss. Oh, chicken. You want to take it out? Here, let's open one more present first. Look. Here. Can you open this one? What's this, Ellie? Look. Can you rip it?
Yeah.
Can you rip it?
Ellie's
She likes the farm. Look, honey, you got a book. You love books. When we all pitch in a little, it makes a big difference to our world.
Aww.
Oh, look how cute it is. Here, let's open this up, kiddo. I know you seem like you want to play with it already.